Are you doing a backpack?
I am doing a backpack. Wait a minute. So the end result, the end result is like this. So now I'm doing the head, and so you can feel it a little bit. It's a little bit spongy. And that's why I am cutting the head also in this part, or with this material. In this whole video I will show you how to make these kids backpacks I am producing in the recent time. And I guess this will be also the title. At least I will try to show you how to do it. Maybe the German speaking know the word Schneidersitz. No. Yeah. The Schneidersitz, for the other people, you sit like this, yeah? And Schneider in German means also tailor, the seamstress. And I guess in the early times, the Schneider mostly sat in these positions. So that's why the tailor is called Schneider in German.
Wow.
I guess, I don't know. I think there was just one information I heard somewhere. Also, the materials which I use for the kids' backpacks are all kind of upcycled. So every backpack is individual. Oops. This one's. ¿Cuál es mejor? Los kids. Here comes the reveal.
Is it coming to life?
It's coming to life. That's right.
Oh.
Zack. Now. I need the hole puncher. This one. Yes, please. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Okay.
Should I help you with that?
Nope. I can do it all by myself. Like this. Número 1. And voila. Atención. Backpack is done.
What do you think?
No, I think I have positive feelings. That's for sure. Positive feelings. It's always a positive feeling to finish a backpack. Final thoughts. It is work. You need to think first. No, in general, I like to produce things. to have a result at the end. But for the kids' backpacks, it makes me really smile all the time to see this animal. To see this animal being a companion to a little kid.
Yeah, it looks good.
The hardest part, or the longest what it takes for making it, is to make the patterns at the beginning. I feel like it took a long time to really here to make them how I wanted them.